Hello everyone, my name is Prerna. I'm a fashion designer and fashion design faculty at Dream Zone, Hazratganj. Today we'll discuss about the design process and how to make a portfolio. Portfolio is a very important thing for any fashion design student which he kept all over his life. So in portfolio, what to add, what not to add, what are the steps to attract any client or any employer. First step we take is inspiration board or the mood board. So inspiration board or the mood board is the board where we collect all the pictures related to our theme or related to our inspiration to make a design or a collection. So we can take pictures from internet source or we can take pictures from magazines also, but that should be in very good quality, which can show all the features you want to add in your collection. After taking all the pictures from magazine or the internet source, we put together and make a collage of that which set the mood for the collection. Next page is the fabric swatches and the color board. In fabric swatches and the color board, you will take all the fabrics which you are going to use in your designs. You can source that fabric from the local market or you can take the pictures of the fabric. Many of the online stores have the swatches which you can take, but in very good quality. Color board is a board where you show all the colors you are going to use in your collection. All the colors will come only from the inspiration board. You can use the tint, shades or tone of these colors. Every color should have the Pantone number in the page. Pantone number is a unique code which is used all over the world to recognize the exact color. Illustrations and sketches. Next step is illustrations and sketches. Before going on to the final sketches, we do the doodles and the working sketches. Taking the elements from working sketches, we will draw the final sketches on the croquis or your unique style. In sketches, we can show all the features, all the main features as an attraction and fabric as well. You can show all the pleats if you are using the pleats. You can show the prints if you are using the prints, the fabrics by rendering. After doing the illustrations or the final sheets, we will move on to the flat sketches or the specification sheet. This is a very important sheet because the construction of the garment is only dependent on this sheet. We show all the details, all the features with every opening and fastening on this sheet. This sheet will go to the construction or the production department. So this is an important sheet. Inclusion of photographs of actual design is a plus point for any designer in his or her portfolio. By this, any employer or any client will know how to construct a garment and how you bring your vision into life. So photograph should be in very good quality and or take it professionally. When we have done all the boards, mood board, the swatch board, the color board and the illustrations, all the pictures, we put all the boards together to form a sequence or to show our work and the collection. Lastly, we will discuss about the portfolio which is made manually and the portfolio which is electronic. The electronic portfolio has its own advantage, like it's portable. You can use the pen drive or the mail your portfolio to any employer. It shows your software skills also, and other side, manual portfolio has its own advantage, like it shows your sketching skills, your original fabric swatches, the color skills, but it's hard to preserve this manual portfolio. So this was the process to make a portfolio of a collection. You can add or update your portfolio later on according to the company in which you are going to apply. Thank you so much.